Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download ChatGPT on laptop. First you have to go to your Google web browser and kindly search for OpenAI or OpenAI ChatGPT. Click the first one that appears here. Now you have two options here. If you have an existing account, tap login. If you don't have an account yet, tap sign up. So here you have the option to sign up. You have continue with Google, continue with Microsoft account, continue with Apple. You can even type your email address here. But since I have an existing account, let me tap this continue with Google. So I just have to enter my Gmail address, click next, and also uh, enter your password. So once you're done here, all you have to do is to click and then tap ChatGPT. Okay, the first one here. Now this is what it looks like. So in order to download ChatGPT on laptop, unfortunately, you cannot see a download option here. You cannot see a download button or feature here, but we can do something for that. Click the three dots, go to more tools, and then click create shortcut. You can rename this if you want, then click create. So if you minimize this one or you tap X, you can see here outside or on your desktop the ChatGPT logo. So if you're going to tap that one, it will take you directly to your ChatGPT account, or you can also pin this taskbar. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.